Hello there. I'm just doing this wee video to tell you about some rather alarming emails HMRC is sending out to people who file tax returns. The reason I say they're alarming is they're sending them to people who have no reason to receive them at all, and this is completely at odds with what HMRC said they were doing. The subject is making tax digital, which is a horrendous new burden being placed on people who are landlords or sole traders and making them file tax submissions 4 times a year and then following it up with a final sweeping up transmission. But the reason I'm saying this is that these people are being contacted have nothing to do with making tax digital. The Revenue was supposed to send an email to people who were sole traders or landlords or both. But I'm seeing emails going to clients who file tax returns who have never been a sole trader and never a landlord. So, if you have never been a sole trader and never a landlord and you've got an email from HMRC about making tax digital, you can relax. It does not affect you. If you do have one of those sources of income, then it might affect you. And the email does go into detail about that. Essentially, for the 24-25 year for which you've already filed your return, if your gross rents, that's before any expenses, and your gross sole trader takings combined are more than £50,000, then making tax digital is an issue for you to do, and it starts 1st of April 2026. I say combined. If you've got rents of over 50,000, you're in making tax digital anyway. If you've got sole trader takings of 50,000, you're in making tax digital. But if you've got, for example, 26,000 in each, then the combined total of 52,000 puts you in the frame. What's more worrying is that next April, these figures drop dramatically. Next April, instead of a total combined gross income of 50,000, it'll be down to 30,000, and the year after 20,000. So gradually making tax digital is going to affect more and more people who are either sole traders or landlords. And you need to act if this does affect you, because you need to get registered and get these submissions in every quarter. So if you're not a sole trader and not a landlord, you can forget about making tax digital, at least for the next few years. Dear knows what HMRC will come up with next. Thanks for watching.